right, we're back with the Bobcat 334. Let's talk about what happens if your track gets too loose or it pops off on you while you're out in the field doing some jobs. One of the best ways that I've learned is to prop up your machine with the front bucket, get it off the ground a little bit. You can see that sag in here. This isn't that bad, but it's sagging pretty low and it's almost about to come off your drive there. It's a good time to stop and tighten up your tracks. To open that up, it's a 1/2-inch metric socket. There's a little groove here that allows this door to drop down so you don't have to take it out all the way or take this side out all the way. Inside, you're going to see 2 grease zerts. That's one you use to grease to tighten up the tension on your tensioner ram inside here. That keeps your tension on your tracks. And this one is actually the one you would use, and you loosen it, and all that, not hydraulic, sorry, all your grease will be coming out, and it's probably going to shoot out at you and make a big old pile right there. I did it last week. And that's just to get that tension off, so it allows your track to have some more play so you can get your track back on. So once you get your track back on, you'll tighten that back up, and then you come in with your grease gun. I'm using, who am I using for? I'm using Lucas oil grease. And I use about half a grease tube to get this back up and on, and that's where that's at. We'll put our door back on here. Oops. There we go. So in alternative events, I got this back plate back on here. This one went in, this one would not tighten, took it out. It's really dirty, rusty. Sprayed it, wire brushed it, and realized it's pretty bent and shaped almost like a kind of a diamond. So it's not going back in properly. It is in enough to hold this plate closed for today, hopefully. And see, I'm just hand threading it now. I'll have to get that replaced. Okay, we got that track stuff back on, and it's time to go to work.